Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we showcase a dazzling container cove built using 3 shipping containers located in Claremore, Oklahoma, United States. 2 containers are stitched together to form the ground floor and the third one stacked on top lengthwise to form the second story. A portion of the remaining space on first floor was pulled out with a stick-built construction and covered with a gable roof for additional habitable space. The remaining space on top was transformed into a big rooftop deck overlooking the front of the house. The entire house is covered with a pitched roof above the shipping containers. The large entry foyer opens into a flexible open-plan living space with a lounge, dining, and kitchen space. The kitchen is a sleek, single-walled, compact space that features granite countertops, clean-lined custom cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. Next to the kitchen is a nice reading area, decently furnished with a beautiful reading table. The living area accommodates a charming lounge space defined by a beautiful floor mat, furnished with custom furniture pieces and a TV for entertainment. Next to the living area is a minimalist dining space with a custom dining set that can comfortably seat 6. Off the kitchen is a spacious first bedroom, nicely furnished with a comfortable double bed with adequate wardrobe storage. The bed space is well lit with good-sized glass windows, creating an illusion of a big bedroom space. It is served by a modern bathroom which features a laundry alcove with a combo washer and dryer. There is a toilet, a shower cum bathtub, and a modern wash-hand basin with storage. A floating wooden staircase leads you to the second story of the house, which has a very versatile layout with a big flexible space, perfect for a home office or a small lounge area. The second bedroom features a comfy triple bunk beds with storage shelf and a large bedroom window for adequate daylighting. The third bedroom features a double bed and a closet space. The bedroom has adequately sized glass window which helps to extend the bedroom space and offer maximum daylighting. These 2 secondary bedrooms use a Jack and Jill bathroom that features a shower cubicle, a toilet, and a modern wash-hand basin with a large bathroom mirror, making it feel less cramped, more open, and more spacious. The first floor is fitted with a glass door which opens to the outdoors onto the covered deck overlooking the property. On the inside, there is no evidence that this amazing house is a container home. The interior walls were dry-walled and none of the corrugated metal look that dominates the exterior is evident anywhere on the inside. The floors are finished with bamboo flooring to give the house a warm, modern look. Apart from the conventional roof design, from outside there is no secret that this is a container house. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are painted gray and are visible throughout the exterior, which adds to the industrial language of the design. Which part of this amazing container house appeals you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.